Here I have REALME C3i, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you will have to open settings, then you will have to go to the additional settings, then go to the backup and reset, and here you have to select an option erase all data factory reset. Then select erase all data, and then confirm whole operation by selecting erase data. And then one more time, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.